Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to our viewers on OneSpotMedia.com.
The Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, says it's open to dialogue with the Ministry of Education to facilitate face-to-face classes for students at school if they are having internet connectivity issues at home.
Now, the JTA President, Jasper Gabriel's response comes on the heels of a suggestion from the Education Minister, who stated that the government will not be ruling out face-to-face classes. Anthony Lugg reports.
Connectivity issues and no access to a device are just some of the challenges students and parents have been grappling with since school reopened on October 5. This prompted numerous calls for the Education Ministry to consider face-to-face classes to bridge the gap where possible. This was Education Minister Favour Williams over the weekend.
As we go through the pandemic, obviously we are willing to come back to the table with our stakeholders and to look at the situation, look at our public schools and to do the evaluation.
That assertion from the Education Minister, but are teachers prepared to resume face-to-face classes? President of the Jamaica Teachers Association, Jasper Gabriel, said the association will be guided by public health experts during the discussions.
The Jamaica Teachers Association is always open to communication and dialogue. We must understand, though, that it's first and foremost a public health matter, and so we'll be guided in that regard. But of course, we remain open to dialogue, communication on this matter.
It's known that some students, especially those in rural communities, would have experienced, among other things, connectivity issues. So why wasn't a decision made ahead of the new school term? Mr. Gabriel says it would have been premature to make such a decision amid the surge in COVID-19 cases. He says community spread of the virus is of concern to the JTA.
Because of the rapid spread in the pandemic in Jamaica, we were seeing numbers that were unprecedented, and still not so sure we are accounting for the full extent of it in terms of the community spread. And also that it's clear that schools are a hotspot for the spread of this virus, given the difficulty to contain students in terms of distancing and so on. And so we must monitor that and see how the pandemic is progressing as we make decisions, because it's a matter of public health.
The government has not given a timeline on when a decision will be made, but insists consultations are ongoing. Until then, Mrs. Williams says support will be given where needed. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.